I created this video with Invideo AI,
Perspective where I challenge traditional thinking about debt.
followed by some light editing with one of my favorite apps. This automated technique can help you generate passive income while you sleep. Watch until the end to learn the editing process you can use to gain tons of views. Let's get started. First, we're going to head on over to ChatGPT so we can find a high-paying niche to make for our video. High-paying niches are usually finance, travel, and fitness. I'm going to choose finance. I'm going to write in to ChatGPT, write me 10 titles for my YouTube video. As you can see, 10 great ideas about finance for a YouTube video. So I really like number 1. Top 5 investment strategies for beginners in 2024. So I'm going to take it on over to Invideo AI. This site not only makes the video like auto-generated, it adds a voiceover, music, and subtitles if you want them. Also transitions. So you can do the YouTube explainer and you can create however long you want. On the free account, you can create up to 10 minutes. Isn't that great? So I'm going to take the top 5 investment strategies of 2024 and I'm going to paste it in the Invideo AI description. I'm going back over to ChatGPT so I can get a description to put in instead, because the more precise you are, the better your video will come out. So this is all that I have, but I created my own. So I put create a 9-minute video because I feel like if it's anywhere past 8, you can put ads in between your video on YouTube. So sometimes I like to add a website in my description because it will check the website Invideo AI and it would give me accurate information for my video. So I'm going to delete this top 5 investment strategies and I'm going to paste this. Don't worry, I will put this in my description so you can copy and paste it yourself. So I'm going to head back on over to Invideo and paste it. Now, you could have did this a different way by going to YouTube Explainer and breaking down your description, because you can choose the music, you can choose the language, you can choose the voiceover, anything like that you want to add more to the description, it will help you. This is a little bit more time consuming, so I just usually add it all in to the description as you've seen the way I already put it. So just like this. So I'm going to generate and it's working, it's analyzing, it's thinking, it's looking over the website that I chose for accurate information for my video. It's literally just one press and you have it all. Now this part is pretty cool because you get to choose what kind of video setting you want your video to be. So I'm going to pick young adults and I really like a clean look and young professionals. So that's what I'm going to choose. And then I'm going to click continue and then I'm going to wait for the video. So now it's finding voices, planning the script. It's pretty fast too. I think it takes about like 30 seconds and it's just one click. I'm sorry, I'm just so amused. And I've seen many videos like this on YouTube gain thousands and hundreds of views. And this is what it would look like. Isn't that so, I can't believe it came up with this. I'm skimming through the video just to make sure that it is doing exactly what I want it to do. So I really want to get rid of the subtitles. So as you can see, there's a little box at the bottom of the video where I'm going to write remove subtitles because we're going to add those later. I liked mine big, bold, and bright, so it really brings the viewers in. And just like that, generate. It works that fast. Wow, amazing. It's so easy to just change anything on the video. So you can click any of the videos and then go down to the little command. So right there in the command search bar, I'm going to put a billionaire. Look at all these stock footages that come with it. Isn't this so cool and interesting? So I added one of the pictures to one of the clips and it just went right in. It's like magic. It's like a magic box. You could change the voiceover, edit the music, edit the script. So now I'm going to download the video. Takes another 30 seconds. It is so easy. I love this app. Invideo AI did amazing. And the best part is that you have your outline for your chapters on your video. You just copy it and put it right on your description of your video. You know those little mini chapters you see? There it is. Perfect. So I downloaded the video and I'm going to save it to my photos and I'm going to take it right on over to CapCut video. And now I'm going to take the video. I'm going to put it down into the editing area and I'm going to edit it. This is the light editing I was talking about. So after every clip, you're going to split it because this is where your transitions are going to come in. So I'm just going through. I just want to show you a little piece of the video. So I'm just going to take a little piece of the video so I can show you what it would look like with the transitions. This is the transition I picked. As you can see, you can't really see it. So I'm just going to blow it up so you can see it better. I love how you can stretch out the video so you can see it way better. As you can see, you can't really see the transitions that good. So I'm going to blow it up. I'm sorry. I'm trying to find that. There it is. Sorry. So I'm going to blow it up. As you can see, now you can see the transitions and the video clips way better. So I'm going to split up a couple more because I couldn't see them when it was super merged together. And right here, I'm going to split it. You can split it as much as you want. I usually like to keep the clips to like 3 seconds because usually in this day and age, mostly everybody's attention span is about 3 to 5 seconds. So now I'm going to add some transitions between those split parts. Because the more your video moves, the more intrigued people want to watch, I find. So this is what it's going to look like. So it's talking. I'm going to show you at the end with the voiceover. Because right now I'm talking and it's not going to show. Don't you love this? Oh my gosh. Now we're going to add the subtitles. Subtitles are so important. I find that 99% of the people on YouTube read the subtitles. So now it's creating the subtitles. It only takes like 10 seconds. There's the subtitles. All right. So now I want my text to be big, bold, and these ones I love. I like to put it in the middle. I find that it captures the viewer in way better. Do you see this? Look at this. Hold on. Let me take this little box off the subtitles. There we go. Look at that. Ah, a masterpiece. And it's that easy. And you just download it. And the best part about CapCut, it downloads the video, but it also gives you a TikTok video. So my TikTok video is generating too. Ugh, I'm obsessed. It looks so good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.